How to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks. You, as a business owner, in addition to raising invoices and receiving payments from your customers, will be purchasing goods or services from suppliers. And for your purchases, you will be making payments. To keep a track of your cash flow and expenses, it is important to efficiently manage bills and supplier payments. With QuickBooks, you can enter bills and make payments to your suppliers in a few simple steps. In this video, you will learn how to enter bills and make payments. Let us see how a bill is entered. Sign in to your QuickBooks account. On the home screen, click the plus icon on the top right. Click Purchase Bill under Suppliers. The bill page will open up. Enter the information needed. Choose the supplier for whom the purchase bill is being entered from the Choose a Supplier drop-down list. You can also enter a purchase bill for a new supplier. For adding a new supplier, click Add New and enter details as needed. Enter other information such as the supplier's mailing address, bill date, due date, bill number in the respective fields. Select the relevant payment term from the Terms drop-down list. The default options are Due on Receipt, Net 15, which means that the bill is due in 15 days, Net 30, the bill is due in 30 days, and Net 60, the bill is due in 60 days. You can also add new payment terms by selecting Add New in the Terms drop-down list. You can specify whether the amount entered is exclusive of tax, inclusive of tax, or out of scope of tax by selecting the suitable option from the Amounts Are drop-down list. Add the line items. Select the expense account from the drop-down list. Add additional information, if any, in the description. Enter the amount to be paid. Enter the applicable GST by selecting the options from the Tax drop-down list. Click Add Lines if you have more entries. Line items can be individually deleted by clicking the Delete icon at the end of the line. If all the line items have to be deleted, click Clear All Lines. At this point, you can also add memos and attachments of up to 20 MB. Click Save to save the bill. Click Save and New to save this bill and enter a new bill. Let us now see how to pay your bills. You can pay it through Pay Bills or check. Use check for paying one supplier at a time. Click the plus icon, then choose Check. Enter the information needed. Select the supplier from the Choose a Payee drop-down list. Use the Bank Account drop-down list to select the bank account from which the payment will be made. When you select the supplier, outstanding bills appear on the right side of the screen. Add the bills you wish to pay. The selected bills get populated. You can change the payment amount in case of partial payment. Scroll down to enter a memo or add attachments, if any. Click Save and New or Save and Close from the drop-down list. If you wish to pay multiple suppliers and bills at one time, pay through Pay Bills. Click the plus icon, then click Pay Bills. A screen showing all the open bills, irrespective of the suppliers, appears. Select the appropriate payment account. Select the box next to each bill that you wish to pay in this session. Enter the payment date. Choose the currency. The default setting is INR, Indian Rupee. Change if needed. Enter the payment amount that has to be applied to the open bill. Let us see how to navigate through the Pay Bills page. You can filter the bills based on date, that is due date or a range of dates, or the supplier. To apply filters, click on the Filter drop-down list. Note that the reference here is bill due date, not the bill date. Select the appropriate option from the due date drop-down. Selecting all dates lets you see all open bills. You can also filter by a specific payee. Check the Overdue Status Only box to view overdue bills. To view all bills due on or before a certain date, leave the From field empty and enter the date in the To field. Once your specifications have been entered, click Apply. To sort the listed bills by a particular column, select the header of that column. The sortable columns are Payee, Reference Number, Due Date and Open Balance. You can also perform a secondary sort. If you sort by Payee, Reference Number or Open Balance, the secondary sort is Due Date. If you sort by Due Date, the secondary sort is Payee. You can also apply partial credits to multiple bills from the same supplier easily. If the supplier has a credit, you'll see the credit amount in the Credit Applied column. Enter the amount that you wish to apply. When the cursor moves out of that field, the available credit amount gets updated and displays outstanding credit after deduction. Click Save, or Save and Print, or Save and Close from the drop-down list to complete your payment. Congratulations! You have successfully made payments using QuickBooks. It is your turn now. Sign in to QuickBooks for hassle-free management of supplier bills.